Hello students, today we are going to solve numerical of runway design. Question is given as length of runway in standard condition is 1620 meter. The airport site has an elevation of 270 meter. If the reference temperature is 32.94 degrees Celsius and if the runway is to be constructed with effective gradient of 0.2%, then determine the correct runway length. Now we have to find the correct runway length. Now correction for elevation. It will be equals to 7 by 100 into 1620 into 270 divided by 300. It will be equals to 102 meter. So the corrected length will be equals to 1620 plus 102. It will be equals to 1722 meter. Now the next is the determination of standard atmospheric temperature of the given elevation. It will be equals to 15 degrees Celsius minus 0.0065 into 270. It will be equals to 13.24 degree Celsius. Now next is the correction for temperature, that is delta T. It will be equals to rise in temperature, that is 32.94 minus 13.24. It will be equals to 19.7 degrees Celsius. Now correction will be equals to 1722 divided by 100 into 19.7. It will be equals to 339.2 meter. Now corrected length will be equals to 1722 plus 339.2. It will be equals to 2061.2 meter, which will be nearly equals to 2060 meter. Now check for both correction combine. Now total correction in percentage will be equals to 2060 minus 1620 upon 1620 into 100. It will be equals to 27.16%. According to ICAU, this combined correction should not exceed 35%. So our value is 27.16%. So it is a safe condition. Now next is the correction for gradient. It will be equals to 20 upon 100 into 0.2 into 2060. After solving this, we will have the value equals to 82.4 meter. Now corrected length will be equals to 2060 plus 82.4 meter. It will be equals to 2142.4 meter. Finally, after correction, corrected length will be equals to 2150 meter nearly. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.